nature lovers! Today, let's dive into the charming world of squirrels, those agile and bushy-tailed creatures that capture our hearts and curiosity. Whether darting through the treetops or scurrying along a city park, squirrels are a fascinating study in adaptation and survival. Let's start with their looks. Squirrels have slender bodies adorned with bushy tails that not only add to their cuteness, but also help them balance while navigating the high branches. Their eyes are large, giving them excellent peripheral vision, crucial for detecting predators, or that sneaky nut you just tried to hide. Now, did you know squirrels come in an astonishing range of sizes? From the tiny 4-inch-long African pygmy squirrel to the whopping 1-meter-long Indian giant squirrel, these creatures show incredible diversity. And their fur? It's not just there to make them adorable. It varies dramatically from one species to another, helping them blend into their specific habitats. Moving on to their diet, while they adore nuts, squirrels are not just nutcrackers. Their diet includes fruits, seeds, and even the occasional insect or small animal, making them omnivorous adventurers of the animal kingdom. And when it comes to their homes, squirrels are quite the architects. Tree squirrels build cozy nests called drays, made of twigs and leaves high up in the branches, while ground squirrels prefer the underground life, creating intricate burrows to stay safe and warm. Speaking of types, squirrels can generally be categorized into 3 groups: tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and the extraordinary flying squirrels. Each type has adapted uniquely to their environment. For instance, flying squirrels with their built-in gliding membranes can travel through the air between trees, making them the acrobats of the squirrel world. Now, why should we care about these critters? Well, squirrels play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They are not just cute, they are key players in seed dispersal, aiding in forest regeneration. Many of the seeds they stash away for winter sprout into new growth come spring. They're also vital in the food chain, serving as prey for birds, foxes, and more. In urban settings, squirrels have shown remarkable adaptability. Who hasn't seen a squirrel bravely navigating the urban jungle or cheekily approaching parkgoers for a treat? However, this close interaction with humans isn't without its challenges, as they are known to sometimes cause mischief, like raiding bird feeders or chewing through wires. In conclusion, squirrels are not just simple rodents. They are complex, adaptable, and incredibly important to both natural and urban environments. Next time you spot one, take a moment to appreciate these incredible little survivors of the animal kingdom. Thanks for tuning in, and keep exploring the beauty of nature around us.